Hello students, hope all of you are doing well. So today I am back again with English literature, and today we are going to start one new chapter. That is chapter 5, Something Unexpected Happens Too. So from Haiti, okay, and so in our previous chapter what we have seen Peter push the Clara's wheelchair down the hill. He was very angry on Harry, okay, and grandfather decided to take Clara and Harry up the mountain because both the girls were very unhappy because they thought they won't be able to fulfill their plan. Their plan would not fulfill, okay. So grandfather decided to take Clara and Harry up the mountain. So will something unexpected happen? So let's see. Okay, when they reached the spot where the goats usually pastured, they were surprised to find them already feeding there, and Peter with them. "Have you seen the chair?" asked grandfather. "What chair?" called Peter. Grandfather said no more. He spread the shawls on the sunny slope and placed Clara on them. "Oh, Heidi, it is lovely, it is lovely," Clara cried, looking round her. So, grandfather took both the girls to the mountain, and what happened? There they saw that goats were pasturing, means they were eating grass, and they were also surprised because they saw Peter there. Okay, so grandfather asked Peter that whether he had seen the chair or not, the wheelchair. Peter replied, "What chair?" Okay, as if he didn't know anything. So grandfather didn't reply him anymore, and what he did, he spread the shawls on the sunny slope and placed Clara on them. Okay, because she was unable to move. Okay, so grandfather placed Clara on the shawls. Now Clara was so happy that she, out of excitement, she screamed out, "Oh Heidi, it is lovely, it is lovely." Okay, so now what happened? The sky was dark blue, but dark blue here means bright blue, okay, not like cloudy sky, okay. The sky was dark blue and not a single cloud was to be seen. Harry wanted to go to the spot where the flowers grew to see if they were as lovely as before. Clara was happy, sitting all alone the mountainside. Harry reached her field of flowers. There she saw lots of shining yellow cistus flowers among many others. She turned round and ran to Clara's side, out of breath. "Oh, you must come," she said excitedly. "It is more beautiful than you can imagine. I can help you walk." Clara looked at her and shook her head. "Heidi, you are smaller than I am. Oh, if only I could walk." Heidi looked round and saw Peter sitting above, looking down at them. Heidi called out, "Peter, come down here." Heidi told Peter to hold Clara under the arm on one side and she would hold her on the other. Together they were to lift her up, but Clara could not even stand, and Heidi was too small for her to lean upon. So it was a bright, sunny day, and there were no sign of cloud. Okay, and Heidi wanted to go to that spot. Okay, to see the flowers. Okay, and Clara was, since she was very much fascinated with the scenic beauty, she was very happy sitting all alone. Okay, Heidi then what she did? She reached the field of flowers to see the yellow cistus flower. It's a kind of flower, rock or shrub, okay, flowering shrubs found on dry or rocky soil. Okay, and then she became so excited that she ran back to Clara to make her see that to make her see, okay, these flowers, okay. But Clara could not move, and what Heidi did? Heidi asked Peter to come down to them. And Heidi asked Peter to hold Clara from one side, and Heidi would do from the other side. But Clara could not even stand, and Heidi was too small. Okay, so today I'm keeping the story up to here. Hope all of you have understood the story. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the live session. And please read the story loudly. Okay, thank you, student, and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.